Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a fabulous weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Today is a page that's been designed from this month, VIP Lounge. VIP Lounge is a membership that I offer on my website when you get 3 digital paper packs every month and also a letter gift box. So this month for September, this is the letter E. Ta-da! So I have designed this letter from the same paper pack. So this is what the letter E looks like when it's all done up. We've done a couple letters together so far. All the last previous months of the VIP Lounge. We got letter C, whatever we got here. We got the A, the D, then B, and that's it. So we've done 5 so far. So we have September, August, July, June, and May. Okay, so every month is a different letter. So for October will be the letter F. But yeah, this is the letter. So you get a template. But I will explain everything in a minute. You get a template that you print on a thicker cardstock, and there is a private video that I shared with you guys, with the VIP members, that I show you how to put these tabs together. It's very, very straightforward. You just need to firstly cut the tabs and put it all together, and then you get the letter E. Okay, right guys, before I show you where to get the freebie, let me show you the VIP Lounge papers for the month. Okay guys, welcome to the papers from September of my VIP Lounge subscription. So let me show you the number one. Number one is this one here. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't say myself. Let me zoom out a little bit. That's it. It's called Cute Cats. So it's 4 pages full of adorable cats. Simple as. So they're all very similar, but yet each page is different, and you've got different flower, different scales. You can do cards. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what I want to do with this. So Cute Cats, number 1. Number 2, it's called Graffiti, which is this one here. So it's a bit like inspiration. It's about 19th pop culture. So we've got lovely tones of green and red, some angry cats, a cheeky cat. We've got this page here. As you can see, this color palette is pretty much the same, so it's all pages blend. And this is page number 4. Let's put some stars. So yeah, so they're all very different, but again, they all match. So this is Graffiti. Collection number 3, which is my favorite one, is called Vintage Dresses. So you get a page with a lovely doll. Look how cute she is. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with all different dresses. So you've got the one on the hangers, the one like that. So they're all super, super cute. Oopsie. Look at that one. The color palette is very, it's very similar. So it's all these blue and pinks. Look at that one with a little bow. It's all blend together. Got a couple of ideas of what to do with this paper, so I will showcase it the next coming weeks. And then you get, I haven't got a printout, but I'll show you on my screen on my laptop now. Okay guys, so these are the 5 bookmarks that you will get with this month VIP Lounge. It's a little treat. It's an additional gift from me to you guys. The reason why I didn't print them is because it's not something that I will personally use, but I think they are adorable. especially if you print them on cardstock, and also if you print them front and back, you'll be able to have this double-sided. But I think they're really cute. I will probably use the black and stripe one with the gold hearts, but they're super, super cute. They are my favorite colors, I must admit, because I do like black and white with a bit of gold, and I do like pink and green together. I think they're very bright. They're a bit summery, and also, yeah, they just give you some positive vibes, or I hope they do at least. So you get the flamingo bookmarks as well. And then last but not least, you get the letter E. Okay, so this is the template. I just printed this on a simply copy paper, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. Let me just move this out of the way, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So just gonna turn everything white. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, and there is a private video for all my VIP members where I share how to make this. Simply like cutting it and then glue the tabs, etc, etc. So this is being designed from the graffiti papers. So far we've got letter A, letter B, letter C. Last month was letter D in August, and letter E for September. Okay, so we've done 5 letters so far: A, B, C, D, and E. Okay guys, how to get this? 2 ways. Number 1, on my newsletter. Now we'll put the newsletter here on the left hand side so you guys can see what it looks like. The newsletter is in an email I send every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, and it gets the videos of the week in case you guys have missed it, papers showcase, there are some chit chats, and there is always a discount code for you to treat yourself on my website. And also there is an attachment. Okay, but if you want to download this freebie, because by the time you watch this video, the email will already gone out. So if you want this video, and I think we have probably about 300 previous freebies for the last few years. I put it all together on my Facebook group in date order. So once you're joining, you can just download them all for free. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media, and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay, today guys, I just want to shout out to the lovely Sharla. Sharla is a member of my VIP lounge. She's been with me for a very long time, so thank you, Sharla, for your love and support. I will put Sharla's comment on the screen now so you guys can see how lovely Sharla is. A big shout out to you, my love, for all your love and support. It means the world to me. Guys, if you wish to join the VIP lounge, I will put all the links down below. Don't forget to download the freebie from my Facebook group. And yeah, start cutting, printing, and designing and creating. Guys, thank you so much. Big thumbs up if you like the freebies, because you're telling YouTube how much you love my content and you really support my journey here on the social media side. Thank you so much once again. Have a fabulous weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe.